A man doesn't give away all his possessions unless he knows his time's up.
Okay, this is it. Your new home. Pidgey, you're in charge. Okay, I'm exhausted. I'll hitch the train back. Better go check on Howard. He must be missing him already.
Nah, he's dying. Howard's dying.
No. Howard?
Howard is dying.
Oh, hey, Spider-Man.
Hey, sorry. Friend of mine.
That's a shame. That is a shame.
Take all the time you need. If it helps,
You never
looked
really
like
gave
he
him a
was at
second
peace.
thought, but
He
still.
was. He's finally on that adventure with his wife.
Wow.